Hi, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can connect up your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller onto the Nintendo Switch. Now obviously this is not going to work natively, so you will need an adapter. The adapter I'm using in the video is a Magic NS adapter made by Mayflash. So what we have to do is we're going to plug it in via a USB-C on the go cable, and then after this initial connection I'm going to show you it working on the TV via the dock. So let's plug in this into here, and we're going to plug this into here. Now the mode we want to have it on is the purple mode, so we can scroll through various different things by hitting the side button here until you get onto the purple mode. And now if you watch this, all we have to do is put this into pairing mode by holding down this button here first, then the PlayStation button, and keep them both held until it will start to flash like that. Okay, so that's now in pairing mode, and now we just need to tap the side button here just once, and now that is in pairing mode. And then after a few seconds they will both connect up to each other. There we go, so you can see they've both gone to solid. That's solid purple and that's solid blue. And now if you look at the switch, you can see it is now working via the controller here. Now I'll show you the buttons that's working because that's going to be easier to show you on the big screen. The things that don't work are no mic, no motion controls when we have it wireless, but yet they work when we plug it in via a USB cable. And the most annoying thing is no adaptive triggers and no haptic feedback. But remember, this is early days. Hopefully as time goes on, it may be possible to do more things. Let's get it connected up to the TV. So here we have it connected onto the TV, and you can see the dock just there with the Magic NS adapter just sticking out to the left hand side. Now with this one, it's going to be mimicking a Pro controller. So for example, the enter button on this is actually going to be this one here, and this is going to be back, because on the Pro controller this would be to enter into menus and this will be to go back here. But all the buttons work, and what's nice as well is this one here is doing the place of the camera button. So if we tap it, you can see it says capture taken, and if we were to hold it down, it does actually take a video. So that's quite nice. Now this button here on the microphone doesn't do anything, but every other button works as it should. So if we were to go down to system settings, and if I was to go down to controllers and sensors, test input devices, watch this now. So you can see them coming up here, and fully responsive. And this will take us back home. Now let me just show you the analogs are actually working as analogs. Watch this. You can see tiny movements and full movements. And the same for the other one as well. Right, let's show you a little bit of gameplay. So you can see there it's working perfectly. Now let me plug in a USB cable and I'll show you it working with motion controls, because they're really responsive as well. So here we have a USB-C cable, plug that into the top of the DualSense controller, and the other end goes into the Magic NS adapter. Now watch this, let's turn tilt controls on and let's come out of that. And now watch, can you see now? You can see him moving there. I'm not used to tilt controls. But you can see that they're working. I'm really not used to tilt controls. Right, let's get off that. And of course it will work wirelessly now as well. And now let's say if you wanted to turn off the console, we can hold down the PlayStation button, go into sleep mode, but this won't wake it out of sleep. So all we have to do is go over to the Nintendo Switch itself and just tap down on the power button, and then this will automatically sync itself back up. So watch this. These lights go out after about, I'll leave it, they go out after about 20 seconds or so. Let me fast forward through it. There you go, they've gone out now, and all we have to do is hit the PlayStation button. That will liven this back up, it will reconnect, and then we can go back into the Switch. So there we have it. That is the Nintendo Switch working with the DualSense controller for the PlayStation 5. So I think it's just quite interesting, mixing up different controllers on different systems to see what they feel like. And who knows, in the future you might be able to get more out of this on the Nintendo Switch when the adapters get updated. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe for more of these weird and wonderful videos. Take care. Bye now.